my YouTube channel. Today the vlog is about, as you see in the title, so I am going to an international trip Singapore for a J-Hope tour concert. So before that, I would like to tell a little bit things is that I am a BTS fan since 2013 onwards. So it's almost 13 years, but I never showed up love towards them in any pages or anywhere. I didn't mention to my friends anywhere that I'm a big fan of them. I kept it myself. So now it's time, recently in 3 to 5 years onwards, I'm just expressing my love towards them. And I also maintaining a page, BTS fan page. I will mention the page here, so you can follow up if you like it. So I'll enter into the vlog very fastly now. So it is a very short vlog, but still I want to share my feelings with you. So how much happy, mostly happy. I'm so nervous. I got a J-Hope tour concert ticket. So it was when J-Hope announced the tour, I was manifesting, I was just dreaming I should go to this concert. As I'm a biggest fan. I missed Suga concert. I missed Yet to Come Busan concert because of some personal reasons. I have to stop myself to go to that concert. But how much regret you will have when you miss those type of concert when you are a huge fan of BTS. So I finally was manifesting to go that tour, and one day all of sudden I just came home after my work, and I saw one post. One of my much friend was posting that there is a ticket in Singapore. So if anybody want to purchase, wanna go, so then I decided to buy it. So it was not my solo decision. I was asking my friend Navya also about this thing. So I forced her to come into this concert, even though we have a budget issue, lot of budget issue. The ticket is expensive, the traveling is expensive. So I am not sure how much I will manage that much expensive, but still it cost me around $328 a ticket, and that also it's a VIP ticket. I was asking my friend should we go or not, but I decided on spot to take that ticket. I tried and I got it. It's like a piece of cake coming into your hand and eating it, and it also feeding it in your mouth. So definitely it's a very lucky, I would say. In my whole life I never been this much lucky coming forward, because I work hard for everything. My luck is very less, but this time I don't know what is the God grace, touch wood. So I got that ticket coming into my hand. My next step was about visa. So the visa, I was looking like how the Singapore visa will be, because there is no direct entering into the immigration office or apply for the visa. You have to go with a travel agent. So I tried Atlas, I tried VFS, I tried some other 2-3. I'll mention if I found the names. So then one of my friend who the girl has given me a ticket, she told me that Ria Travels are really good. When it comes to visa processing, they are very strict, they are very in a professional way, and they keep all the paperwork in a very mannerly as the immigration rules. So but still I searched my level best. I digged everything, how if I got visa rejected, what should I do, if it is not, how it will be, how many days will take process. So all I have digged up. But I see mostly because there is no positivity in my life from a very long time. I always think negative or overthinking. So if I get rejected, what are the next option I was looking, but still I control my brain not to think like that. And I searched in Google, I searched in YouTube. Many people who are like traveling to the Singapore, they told like many tips how to apply the visa. So I went to Visa Travel, I mean like a Ria Travels. They guided me very nicely. They told me how to apply. There is a form of visa form. I will mention the name of the visa form. And then the most important thing, they told me that rather than paperwork, your photo should be very clear, zoom and matte finishing. So I don't know, but I'll show my picture, okay? So I was very scared when I was going for the picture. I told them very clearly, it's for a Singapore visa, it should be 35 into 45 mm or something, and it should be very zoom, and it should be very clear and matte finishing, especially the matte finishing. So what I thought is, like, instead of wearing any makeup, without makeup I prefer to go and take a picture, so that it's mandatory. You have to it has to be this one, and the collarbone has to be visible in the photo until here. So this is the picture. I hope you can see. It's so much worse, like, I think you can see it. So I went there, I took this picture with that, because most of the visas has been got rejected because of the not having a proper photo, and the rest of the things are documents. So the documents I submitted for my visa is my payslip, my bank statement of 3 months. No, they asked me 6 months of bank statement, my pay stub, and they given a letter, like you have to write a letter to the immigration saying that so on so time you have been traveling to the Singapore, so this is the reason I'm applying for a tourism. So I already before that, you have to show ticket, you have to show the hotel booking. So these two are so much mandatory before you applying the visa. So I booked a hotel, then I booked a ticket, and then I went with those documents, with my pay stub, with my 6 months bank statement, and a letter to the immigration, Singapore visa people, and with this photo. And one of the lady in the Ria Travels, her name is Vimala. Oh my god, she's so much patient, so much professional. She just told me what exactly how it will be work, but still I was very scared, because it's been 11 years I never traveled out of the India. I came in 2014 from Australia. I completed my graduation. I came back to home and I started working here. Since that time onwards until now, I never traveled international. I was very scared to apply visa, because I'm not sure how it will be. It's like almost a decade. I don't know how the rules are. I don't know how the travelers are. They are trustable or not. I'm not sure. But still, like, I am very happy. I applied on March 24th. So my statement should be until March 23. So before 6 months. So, and it has to be a closing balance around 60, in between 55 to 60,000. If you keep more also, it will be good for you. It's only that you are capable of handling all your expenses or any medical emergency, you are able to pay. I applied on March 24th, around in between 11 to 12, and I was back to home. And she told me that it will come around in 2-3 days, or it will take a week. But very surprisingly, they did a very good job. Like, I'm not sure how much, it's almost like 20 years or 22 years of experience they have, Ria Travels, I think so. I got visa. She applied visa on March 24th in the evening around 5:30 IST timing, like Indian timings. The very next day in the morning 10:30, I got a call, I got an email from Ria Travel that your visa has been approved. Oh, I was tension free. I got visa only 2 months, multiple entries in 2 months. Finally, I'm happy. So I'm happy that I am going to Singapore to watch J-Hope. it's a dream come true. So before that, I would like to tell you something. uh, Even though if you got a visa, there is a 3 days before you have to clear your document, I mean like a, what you say, immigration checkup, like a clearance before 3 days. You just need to open an app. I will mention the app here. So you go inside, whatever the visa you got, you have to fill that reference number, your passport number, your name, and date of staying into the Singapore, and you just have to finish that. So this is it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like I am going. One of the member in 7 members, one of the member, J Hope Sunshine's tour concert. I hope I will thoroughly enjoy every moment, every second, and I'll keep you posted all those things. That's it. So thank you so much for all the people who are supporting my channel, liking, sharing, and following. Thank you so much to all of them. Please keep supporting. Thank you so much to all the followers, and a special thanks to all those people who are watching these vlogs and my previous vlogs also, and you are making my shorts really very nice. But please do follow my page, and please do follow my Instagram page as well. So thank you and have a nice day. See you soon in the J Hope concert vlog.